Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Palworld Crash Report and also how to fix Palworld is crashing on startup. So first of all, you want to try a few things. So first of all would be to click start a game. Then once you have a game here, you want to click change worlds, and on world here you want to turn off the multiplayer. If it is turned on, you want to turn this off. And just try out this thing. If that didn't fix the problem, then you want to go ahead to your launcher. So for example, I use Xbox as my launcher. If you're using Steam, it will be basically the same. You're going to click on the game with a right click of your mouse, and you're going to see some similar settings. You want to click manage. And on manage, you want to go to files and then go ahead and browse. Now, after that, this will open up. You want to go to Palworld content, then Pal, binaries, WinGDK, and then you will see Palworld WinGDK shipping exe file. You want to right click on it, go to properties. On properties, you want to go to compatibility and then run this program as administrator. Try to do those things. You also want to try out disable full screen optimizations. And if that didn't work, you also want to go ahead and change high DPI settings. So override a high DPI scaling behavior and choose application option. Then you're going to click OK and apply. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you also want to go ahead and verify and repair files. Click on this and it will basically take a little bit of time and it should fix the problem. Now, if that still didn't work, you want to check your drivers. So you can check them on your device manager. And also if you're using, for example, NVIDIA, open up NVIDIA app or AMD, whichever you're using. On device manager, you want to click on display adapters, and here you will see your GPU or CPU, whichever you're using. And then you can go ahead and update driver here. Or you can go here on NVIDIA app, go to drivers, and you will see here some game ready drivers or studio drivers, and you can download them and update them. Now you also want to try out to close background applications on your task manager. If there's any apps which you are not using, maybe they are eating a lot of memory, you want to go ahead and end the task with them. Now, if your game launches, you want to go ahead to options and on settings. So on graphics settings, you want to try out low graphics, windowed mode, and then maybe select this resolution. You can also lower your FPS. Try to lower it. And also, if you have anti-aliasing available, then you want to go ahead and select none or FXAA. And that also may fix your problem. So if this video helped you guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.